Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am actually doing video with dilpreet and we are outside, and today we are actually going to show you the nature, but we're actually in my garden, so it's not going to be that nature. So we're going to just show you something.
This balloon will go over it, and let's see if it pops or not, because before I popped it, when I came here, and I got so freaked out. So let's see. I'm gonna chuck it and jump off the chair from 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so she chucked it. That was so cool.
I'm scared if something happens.
Imagine the ants ate it. That would be really bad, but like... Oh, what are you doing?
The balloon's on the spoon and it even popped. So
What? How?
That's impossible, you guys.
Yeah, it is.
Thanks for watching our videos, and
Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn the bell on.
Yes.
But we are also going to do some shout outs in this video, and today's shout out would be Lauren and Freya and dilpreet.
Say bye, guys.